How to cook a pork sirloin roast. I picked up a pork sirloin roast yesterday. It's a little over 3 pounds. I've never cooked one of these before and I am not sure what to do. My seasoning plan is salt, pepper, thyme, and rosemary, and I might poke a couple holes for cloves of garlic as well. My cooking plan is 8+ hours in the crock pot on low, with about an inch of water in there. Will this turn out okay? I'd like a tender and moist result, obviously. Any tips would be greatly appreciated.
I don't think a pork sirloin roast will stand up to that kind of cooking very well. That is a very lean piece of meat, which does not lend itself to long cooking times at low temperatures. That type of cooking is best reserved for cuts of meat with lots of fat and/or connective tissue. If you put a pork sirloin roast in your cooker for 8 hours on low, you're going to have one tough, dry piece of meat when you are through. You would be better served by cooking it in the oven at higher heat, for a relatively short period of time, like 400 F for an hour or so. Bear in mind, you're not going to get to a fall-apart tender state with a sirloin roast. This isn't a pork butt with which you're dealing, which you'd take up to an internal temperature of 195 F or more. Rather, you're going to want to target the safe temperature, and no higher. You want the meat to be juicy. Cut into thinner slices to achieve maximum tenderness. The cooking technique you are describing, braising, is good for meat that would otherwise be tough, with a lot of connective tissue, such as a shoulder roast. When you try to braise meat which is low on connective tissue, such as the sirloin, you risk drying the meat out. I would recommend roasting instead. If you have a roasting rack, or a metal cookie rack, anything to elevate the meat and provide circulation, place the pork on the rack with a tray underneath to catch juices. If you don't have a rack, no big deal. Preheated to 400 degrees, this high temperature will give your meat a nicely browned exterior. Immediately turn the heat down to 300, or lower if you have time. Every half hour, turn the meat on the rack and baste the meat with the juices. Turning it will keep the juices distributed inside. When your meat is finished, as decided by a thermometer, bring it out of the oven to rest for at least 30 minutes. Turn it every 5 to 10 minutes. While the meat rests, turn your juices into a nice pan sauce.